The first step is to prepare a clip and then strengthen the clip. The second step is use the clip to take off the watch bands. The third step is to prepare a screwdriver and use it to take off the screw from the shelf.
这就打开了，电池在这里，这就是电。
And then you can take off the batteries.
然后用烙铁这里更换一下。
After you change the batteries, you have to pay attention to the direction of the battery. The battery have to stick to this side so that it can be installed correctly.